First, I want to thankful to Jim because he's still trust to me and my companion, even we cannot see it. And I'm so grateful and thankful to the Happy People Family because the materials that are given last year is very helpful for the children, and they are happy to receive it, the kids, and they can use that at the school. First, because the first part for us to feed the children is because of our space is small and inside it's very hot. That the concept or the thoughts of the sentence is you read you cannot read clearly, so that's very fast. But the problem is if raining you cannot cook easily. Then outside there's no roof, so that's why we cook the food, the tools, the equipments, the essential kitchen essential. But sometimes the problem is some people give promise but they cannot. They promise to help but they cannot happen. First is maybe the kitchen materials or the kitchen essential needs. And the secondly is for scholarship for the children, those who are in difficult situations. Some children they can go to school because of that. I have some vision for the children. And one day they have a little library for the children. The children can see how to reduce the trash. Oh, kumpletuhin mo.
Sige, ikaw ang
even in your
Saan? Tumbang preso at alumba. Pagbugas na latte. Sapatos. Ang kailangan dito GMR. Ang favorite ko po
ng kanin sa bahay. Lola na, maraming puti-puti oh.
His favorite.
Yeah. Alam mo ba?
Mahilig ka. Ang hilig ko po. Gawin mo start.
Salamat po sa kaibigan ko. Salamat po.
Okay.